YouTube. This is Murtad with World of Gadgets. So today it's gonna be a sort of a fun one. I'm not sure how I'm sounding right now. I'm using my iPhone and GoPro to record this quick video just because of this little guy. Before we do a quick unboxing on this, what I basically want to say is I would like to announce the winner that we had for the Razer Manowar wireless headset right here. So we went through, I took out all the names and did a quick drawing, and I had my 3-year-old pick it from the bucket. So this is pretty much as far as it gets. So the winner is David Javan. So David, what I need you to do is go to go to my website, worldofgadgets.tech, right here, and go to contacts, and under contact section just send me an email, and then we can get in touch and I get your address, I can send it to you. The next thing is this guy. So to give you guys a quick story and quick rundown, I had the Canon M50, something to just be portable and light. It was a mirrorless camera. I just had the worst experience with it as far as recording 4K, and the autofocus was extremely bad. So I decided to trade it up with this little guy. From what I read, this is a great camera for 4K, for vlogging, and also for taking stills. So I'm gonna be doing unboxing on this, and I also will show you guys once we get inside to show you what else we have that as far as the accessory wise goes that I purchased for this camera. So without further ado, let's go and open this box up. So not much here. We're looking at just a bunch of manuals. We're gonna put them on the side. Whoa, the wind is taking away. All right. Let's see. We got the strap. We got the power outlet. We got the battery. We have a cable right here. Let's see. Okay, that's it. And then here we got the actual camera. Very nice, very light, has a great grip. And then this kit also comes with a lens that I purchased. Let's see, get this out. There you go. So we got the 18 to 135. It's a pretty good lens for what it is, and especially for the price that I got the whole thing for. So let's go get inside. I'm gonna switch up the cameras, switching from the GoPro and the iPhone to this guy, and then show you guys the accessories that I have, and then we go from there. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So I got a few of the accessories that I ordered that I think it's essential to have with the I guess with any camera, but these are what I sort of got for the 6500. So this is the camera itself. So one important part is this cage that I got from Amazon, and again I put that, I mean, in the comments below I put the links for all these items if you guys need to purchase them. This is a very cool cage. It came by itself, but then I got the wooden panel right here too, which makes it grip very nicer. It gives them a good amount of weight to the camera, it protects the camera, and also, as you guys can see, it gives you tons of ability to add accessories to this little guy. So I'll show you guys what I have and how to put them on. It's very simple. But besides basically what I before I put it on, let me show you guys also what I have. I have the Rode microphone that I will be using for my videos. I have multiple lights, but this is one of the LED lights that basically mounts right on top of the camera. For close-up, it's going to be very useful. Of course, my tripod right here. And well, I mean not tripod, but gorilla pod. I'm sorry. So this is good for, especially if you want to vlog, if you want to hold it straight right here, and it's pretty strong. And the other thing that is very essential to have with these mirrorless cameras is the batteries. So I picked this up from Amazon as well. Pretty reasonable in pricing. I think it was about $35, but again, I put them down in the description. So it comes with 2 batteries, battery charger, and makes it a lot easier to charge your batteries, and you don't have to really worry about it once you have 3 batteries in there.